In this video, we are discussing how to use the routing out feature with label as a discipline. We will use the simulation structure on the screen right now to assign a value to each work item at the queue to send the blue work item to the blue queue and green work item to the green queue. Given that we already have a created label called label color, so please check the relevant video in the pop-up link right now or use the link in the description. We can check the label created. Go to data and rules and labels. Right here, we already have a label called label color with 1 value for blue and 2 value for green. We will attach label color in the start point in this example. And to do this, we just click on Add Object button in the Central Label Editor. And we choose Start Point. When this is done, we need to choose what action we would like our label to take. This can be done by clicking Add Action right here. We can choose one of the action options on the right-hand side of this dialog so that we can tell our simulation what to do with the label. And in this example, we are going to say that each work item is equally likely to be a blue or green. We can set up our simulation to reflect this so that the label value is equally likely to be 1 or 2. And to do that, we choose Set To. And in the new dialog, we choose the distribution called the routed uniform. Why? Mathematical equivalent of the likelihood 1 or 2 is a routed uniform distribution with lower bound 1 and upper bound of 2. This means that any value is equally likely to occur between the lower and upper bound, and only whole numbers can occur. We click OK and OK. Now we have attached our label and set its value. Next, we select activity and then we choose routing out on a ribbon. We are going to root out using the label discipline because it is the label value which determines where the work item should go. When we choose label as a routing out discipline, the dialog shows a list of all labels in our simulation. Whichever queue we have first in the list will take label value 1 by default, and whichever queue we have second in the list order will take label value 2, and so on. If these are wrong way around, the pointer arrow can be used to change the ordering. Then we can click OK now. So we are ready to test our simulation. We can test whether the label values are being correctly assigned to our work items. So let's check the blue first. Click on the blue queue and go to property and check the current contents. So we are expected each work item will have value of 1. So it's correct. And do the same for green. We can check its current contents. So we are supposed to expect all the work items have value of 2. That's amazing.